Hello, thanks for joining. I thought I'd share a video with a kind of with this piece finished. I did make a tutorial earlier with just for the gift box, but not the full set. I think well, it's loaded. I got a little bit too excited, I believe, with this kit, and I kept adding bits like creating extra things. I mean, kept printing more pages to create some more bits, but it's like super pretty. If I'm gonna give this to someone, I may leave a few bits behind, but otherwise like it's like super pretty, and I made it like really I've added some cool things. I'm gonna share this with you. So with this envelope, I added a bit of lace here, and I managed to get the book inside. I lined, I mean, all these pages are made with four A4 papers, basically printed both sides. I aligned them together like this, and I applied a bit of glue here like we did as we were students, or if you're still a student. And then once it was all dry, I've added the cover, so I folded it, showing most of this brown bit here on the side. And then once it was dry, I dried and covered this and added some pockets and some pretty bits inside. And then for this tag, I just added a bit of lace here and this pretty woman here as well. And I've added some bits here to the envelope. I stuck one of the stamps here, and some of the pages are folded over, and I have put them in this matching envelope. And with this photo frame, I think in the tutorial I forgot to mention to put like a bit of like a see-through material. I've used an old like gift card that I received once, and it came with this plastic. And this in here. To this pretty paper, I've added some lace here, so when you fold, I may stick something in here as well later. And this is a large paper. I ran out of ideas what to do with this, and I need to run to do some food shopping, so that's the only left. And I thought I would just do the video quickly before, so that's the only piece I need still to think what to do with. Here I took just like a small bag, and I've added some sweets to it, and I've stuck one of the labels here. And this is one of the luggage tags, and this is just, I stuck them with a paper clip, a few pages. And this is I've stuck one of the butterflies here, and put the matching paper inside as well. And there is this gift bag. I've trimmed from one of the pages one of these roses here, so I stuck them on top, and I've put a couple of bits in there as well. And this is two more gift tags. I've stuck the second butterfly here, and here I've added a bit of lace. And this is basically what I did in the tutorial earlier, so how to create this frame here, and to create basically the gift box. I made a little mistake in the video, but I managed to correct this. Like, I've missed the stage where to add a ribbon, but then I've realized that I can do it later on, so I stuck one piece below these two layers. And when I stuck the frame here, I've put the ribbon, the second ribbon, on this side, so when you fold over, you can easily tie it. You might just want to use the gift box as it is. You might not want to create the gift box and just use the pretty papers that comes with this set for other projects. And I hope you find this useful. I mean, there is like plenty of bits here within one kit. I'm going to put the link to the listing in the description. And thank you again for watching. Thanks.